Let's go over how to complete the final writing sample for concepts. So let's scroll down. You're going to find the template right here on week 13. If you'll click on that, this page will come up. It'll show you a preview, but in order to edit the document, click on this blue link. It'll go to your downloads. I've already got it pulled up. You'll also need your midterm writing sample. So if you'll go back and find where you submitted it in week 7. So if you click on this, your page will look a little different than mine. You should see something that looks something like this. You'll click on your document and download it. So I've already done that. I'm going to get out of student view for just one sec. We'll go back to modules page. And let's open up the final writing sample. So what you'll see, very similar to the midterm writing sample, except it's those last 4 weeks after midterm. Put your name on the document. That's all you got to change on the cover page. And then where you see these red captions, go back to the midterm writing sample that you submitted. This one's a blank one, but you'll find the one that you actually submitted and received a grade. And copy just the content pages. Don't copy the cover page or the references, because they are already in the final writing sample. So let's copy those pages. And that's going to be everything that we covered in the midterm writing sample that you've already completed. So I'm going to right-click, copy, and then I'll go back to my final writing sample, and I'm going to paste those in, but use that first paste option if you're inside of Word so that you can keep the images. And if you're using Google Docs, I think it's still the same first option. So what you'll notice is where I had that text highlighted in red, it pasted in my midterm manuscript content pages. That's already been graded. You know it's good to go. Try to get everything to fit on one page. And then scroll back down to where you see the day 15, because that's where we started the second half of the class. Try to get that back to the top of the page. Go find your day 15 discussion. So I'm going to scroll down. I'll find day 15. And then I'll go in and just copy one. So here's a discussion. Let's pretend that was mine. I'll go back to that document. I'm going to go ahead and close the midterm writing sample so I don't get confused between the two. And I'm going to paste that information in. Notice I'm not deleting the quotation. So on this option, paste where it's text only. That way you don't keep the formatting from Canvas, and we adopt the formatting from the Word document. So that was the third option if you're in Word. And Google Docs has a similar option. It's where you paste it in with no formatting. Then find your day 16 discussion. I'll just do one more because you've already done this in the midterm writing sample, so you kind of have an idea. And I'll scroll down. I'll just use this same individual. Find my discussion. Go back in, insert this all the way down to the quotation for day 16. And I'm going to notice if I paste with the first option, it's keeping the format of Canvas. I want the third option where it says keep text only. And I'm going to move that quotation up so that it fits into that paragraph. And you just do that for each one of the topics. If you get any grammatical errors, so if there's something where there's a grammatical problem with that discussion, change it. If you have Grammarly, you can use that, so make any changes. You don't have to keep that quotation at the end if you think that it fits better in the middle of the paragraph, at the beginning, wherever you want that quotation, but you need to keep it because it matches the reference page. And you do that for each topic. So what you'll end up with is a cover page with your name on it, you'll have the midterm content pages all the way until you see day 15. And then once we get into the second half, which is muscle strength, so this is day 15 here, you'll see the content that we did in the second half of the course that you'll change, and then you'll have your reference page here at the end. And just try to keep that where it starts at the top part of that page. So cover page, content pages from the midterm manuscript, content pages from the final manuscript in their correct location, and reference page in its correct location, and you're good to go. Fairly easy assignment. Save it. Once it's saved, I'm going to go to Student View. Same process as last time to submit it. Scroll down to the module. I believe we're on week 13. Writing sample submission. I'm going to hit save. Close that out. Start assignment. Upload file. Choose file. Go to downloads. That's where I saved it at. Open and submit assignment. And then you'll see the grading rubric that I used to grade it. Cover page, content page, reference page, just like we just discussed. That's it for the video. I just wanted to send this out because people are starting to work on it and turn it in. And if you've already turned it in, we're not up to the due date. You can make any changes you want and resubmit if you feel like you've made a mistake.